Did you know there's a very, very simple way to negotiate a big discount on your suppliers, especially if you are using a supply that's based in China? I'm going to show you in this video how you can get roughly a 10% discount on the cost of your goods directly out of China that very, very few people know anything at all about. Now, if you like this kind of information, where I'm helping you save money on your e-commerce business so that you can make more money for yourself, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want to see more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel just down there, because I post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions or comments for me, comment below and I'm going to answer it personally for you too. With that being said, let me show you how to save some money. In China, quite recently, 2021, I think, the Chinese government put in place a lot of tax incentives for Chinese factories and for Chinese trading companies to export overseas. Okay, the way that really plays out is that there is between a 9% and 15% tax back incentive for those factories, for those middlemen to export overseas. Most people don't realize that that's in place. Most people don't realize that's in place. So anything you are doing where you're looking to export out of China and import into somewhere else outside of China, then the exporter is going to get between 10 and 15% back as a result of that. That ought to form part and parcel of your negotiations, okay? Because they're going to get that back. It's a recent thing, enables you to negotiate. I mean, you're not going to get it all back, but if you've got half of it back, half of it discounted for yourself, that's kind of cool. So this is the English Chinese government website. It's well worth staying up to date with that. And then the other one that I also pay attention to is this one, China Briefing. It can be a bit crazy sometimes, but they've got a free newsletter. They don't send out much. It's like once a week they send something out, tops. And it's really good for us who are looking to trade with China to understand what's going on in China, okay? So there you go. Quick tip, very, very easy. Just bring that up. Most people don't know that exists. And so what's happening is your factory is just pocketing that. Might as well get half of it for yourself. Boom. Instant discount on your products. Hey, thanks so much for watching that. That actually was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's 2,500 members in our community. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and also of course come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description below, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.